I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need a minimal toolchain now? Node, JS, a text editor, and a folder. Open the folder, run npm init to create package. JSON, then add, git ignore to avoid node modules, create index. HTML style, CSS and main, JS, link them and open index. HTML in your browser. Once done, use the editor's live preview or a simple static server, npx-serve, to view changes instantly. This gets you coding immediately rather than stalling on optional extras. You will structure the page with semantic HTML elements for accessibility and clarity. Use header, nav, main, section, and footer. Then style with CSS using Flexbox or Grid for layout and define responsive breakpoints so it works on mobile. Make variables for colors and spacing. Next, add JavaScript. Select DOM elements, attach event listeners, and implement basic interactivity. If you need data, use fetch to call an API and update the DOM. Keep functions small and test each piece as you go. To finish, optimize assets. Minify CSS and JS, compress images, and add essential meta tags for SEO and social previews. Push code to a Git repo and deploy with GitHub Pages, Vercel, or Netlify, enabling continuous deploy from your main branch. Once deployed, verify links and mobile layout. If something breaks, check the browser console and network tab for errors, disable caches, or use an incognito window, and revert to your last passing, commit if needed. This isolates and fixes issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.